So for the last part of my course project, I was asked to make my own website. So without further ado, let's begin. So first things first is we have to open our Visual Studio Code. Oh, wait. Here you can see that there's buttons for new file, open folder. What I did first is marami naman kasing maraming free code, HTML code or CSS ready code sa internet. What we have to do is copy it, and then I use the notepad dito, pinaste ko dito, and then save as index.html file. And then for the CSS, it's the same. Just copy the codes and then save it as index.css. And then, so I'm going to show you my ready-made website. So this is the codes that I use for making my website here. And then you will encode those information about the website that we want to make. Like for me, what my mentor asked is for me to make make a website about artificial intelligence. So if you are new in making website like me, what you have to do is go to file and then open file like this, or open folder, and then it will direct you to the folder wherein the informations or the things that you want to put in your website, in your encoding is present. Like mine, I put in my desktop. Here I already collected pictures for my website. And then this is the index CSS. We use index CSS for the, pagpapaganda, paglalagay ng style doon sa ating website. And here is the index HTML, which is this one. Ito yon. Yan. So, dito ko nilagay yung mga informations. It's not hard to do because, like I said, there are ready codes in the internet, and then when you type something, minsan nag-auto na siya, auto tag dito, yun siya na mismo naglalagay ng mga codes, like for example like this, for the body yan. Tapos if i-copy paste mo na lang. So this is for the HTML and this is for the CSS, index CSS. Dito naman yung for styling, kung gusto mong lagyan ng kunwari is login button, join button, features button, dito yon. Dito mo rin ilalagay mga font size, width, but I chose to make it simple kasi hindi rin naman ako ganun pa ka-expert sa paggawa ng website. And then, after that, if you are already okay na, sa tingin mo okay na yung website mo, what we're going to do is to run it. Or, just go to your folder. Close muna natin tong close natin to para makita nyo. Close natin tong naka-open na yan. So, go to the folder and then just click the index HTML, and then it will bring you to the browser. So, ito yung nagawa ko na simple website about artificial intelligence. Pero kung kung gamay nyo na yung paggamit sa paggawa ng website, much better na itsura kaysa dyan sa ginawa ko, like this. Artificial intelligence, intelligence website. For example, ito, 'di ba? But it takes a lot of, practice before we can make something beautiful as kagaya niyan. But if you want the easy way to make something like that, meron din namang mga parang AI operated application which ang gagawin mo na lang is mag-fill out like for example, this Canva. This application can also make some fast website. So that's all, and thank you for listening. Once again, I'm April Jean Galicia, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Computer Education. Goodbye and have a nice day.